Arkansas debt relief. If you're searching for it, you already know why. Your minimum payments are eating your paycheck, and that balance just won't budge. But look, you're not alone. A lot of working families across Arkansas are in the exact same spot. But there's one thing about debt relief in Arkansas that almost nobody tells you. Hi, I'm Rob, and I've spent over 2 decades in this industry. And in the next 4 minutes, I'll cover 3 debt relief options, how debt settlement works, and the federal rule that protects you. Picture a single mom in Little Rock. She owes $22,000 across 3 credit cards with $500 a month going to minimums. 2 years later, that balance has barely moved. But the thing is, that's not unusual. She was carrying unsecured debt at rates that compound faster than a paycheck can chase. And most Arkansans pick the wrong way out because nobody explains the difference. In Arkansas, there are 3 main debt relief options. Option 1, credit counseling. A nonprofit can help you build a budget and set up a structured repayment. Option 2, debt consolidation. You take a new loan or balance transfer to combine balances into one. But good credit is usually required. Option 3, debt settlement. A company like Freedom Debt Relief could negotiate with your creditors to reduce the total you owe. And good credit is not required. That's why debt settlement is often a smart alternative to bankruptcy and personal loans. So that's 3 paths, and each one fits a different Arkansan. Here's how Arkansas debt settlement works in 3 steps. Step 1, instead of paying creditors, you make 1 monthly deposit into an FDIC-insured dedicated account that you control. Step 2, as that account builds, Freedom Debt Relief could negotiate with your creditors to reduce what you owe. Step 3, you approve every settlement. Nothing happens without your sign-off. But here's the honest trade-off. Debt settlement will likely have a negative impact on your credit score during the program. Accounts can go delinquent and may go to collections during negotiation. See, that's the part most companies bury in the fine print, but I'd rather you hear it from me. Freedom Debt Relief members often complete the program in as little as 24 to 48 months. Arkansas has one of the shortest credit card debt windows in the country, and most people who owe don't know it. The state usually treats credit card balances as open accounts. And under Arkansas Code 16-56-105, that points to a 3-year limit from your last payment. After 3 years, a creditor can lose the right to sue. In most states, that window runs 4 to 6 years. Now here's the federal rule that matters most for debt relief in Arkansas, the one I told you to wait for. It's called the FTC Telemarketing Sales Rule. The Federal Trade Commission put it in place effective October 27, 2010 to protect consumers just like you. A debt settlement company cannot collect any fees until 3 specific things have happened. 1, at least one of your debts have been renegotiated, settled, or altered. 2, you have agreed to that settlement. And 3, you've made at least 1 payment toward it. Until all 3 happen, the company cannot charge you a settlement fee. This is the law in every state, including Arkansas. It means a legitimate company carries the risk with you because it doesn't get paid until after it delivers a settlement that you approve. Freedom Debt Relief operates under this rule. So here's a straight answer for Arkansans. You've got 3 paths: credit counseling for budgeting help, debt consolidation if your credit is strong, and debt settlement to resolve unsecured debt for less than the full balance. Freedom Debt Relief is Better Business Bureau A+ accredited, rated excellent on Trustpilot, and a founding member of the Association for Consumer Debt Relief. It works on unsecured debt like credit cards and personal loans, not mortgages, auto loans, or student loans. That single mom in Little Rock started right where you are. But picture opening your mail next year without that knot in your stomach. You don't need to keep handing your paycheck the minimum payments. You just needed the full picture. For a free debt evaluation, head over to freedomdebtrelief.com. And if this video helped clear things up, make sure you save it for later.